Hi, I am Vansh Yadav. I am a psychology student and think that you know and you'll know. What I mean by this? See, it's human tendency to seek the easy thing, the comfortable thing. But is there growth in comfort? I think most of you know the answer. It's not. So you gotta get out of your comfort zone to achieve growth, okay? To see some growth. And for that, we use a coping mechanism to avoid growth and stay in your comfort zone is the beginner, what should I call it, basically the beginner mindset, where even if you are into something for months or even years, uh, you still want to feel like a beginner, so no one questions you, no one doubts you, no one points you out on your failures, and you just basically stay out of the guilt of not progressing from that level. This has been my personal problem for a long time, and maybe still is, but I don't know. Currently I am working towards my goals, and I'm actually making some progress. Regardless, I'm not thinking about anything else, just one foot forward. And anyways, what I mean by think that you know and you'll know is we use this mindset that we are a beginner and we don't know anything, right? We will need to study from the basic, okay? So what you use, whenever I say use, think of it as I'm telling it to myself as well, because I have faced this problem a lot, where I do this thing, and I think that I am a beginner. And let's take it with an example. I had a college class today, and instead of thinking that, oh, I am a beginner, and ignoring whatever the teacher is saying and avoiding applying my own brain to actually understand what she's saying, I use this mindset to cover myself with, I am a beginner, I am a beginner, I am a beginner, I don't get it. When this is the interesting part of it, I say, not I say consciously, my subconscious says I am a beginner. So whatever the teacher is teaching right now, it's not because I can't focus, it's not because I this and that. That's not it. I am a beginner, and I need to study all of it, the all the basics of it, before I get to this point. So think that you know and you'll know. What I mean by this is we keep this beginner mindset to protect ourselves from uh, from the discomfort of actually doing something, actually applying your brain. It gives us this comfort, a comfortable space where we think, oh, I am a beginner. I don't. Let's take it with an example. I had in college class today, and today I actually realized it and fought over this, because it is my own personal problem for a very long time. Uh, so what basically happened was, I teacher was teaching something, and it's like the third or fourth class of this semester, and I have attended all of it. I know what I know all the topics before what teacher is teaching today, but my mind has this framework to protect me from actually applying my brain, actually applying focus to what the teacher is saying. To avoid that, my brain tells me, oh, you are a beginner, you don't know anything, any of the basics, you don't know the basics, okay? So first go study the basics, and then you will be able to study this. So instead, there's no point in focusing right now, because you don't know the basics, you don't know the things before this. So might as well just leave it, just ignore it, and let's do mind wandering, right? And just scroll on your phone. like this, I put into words what my subconscious brain is doing. So it's not actually, it doesn't actually sound like that in my head. But anyways, if you didn't still get it, let me tell you, your brain protects you by saying that you are a beginner and stops you from applying brain and applying focus and attention and actually because it's uncomfortable to actually focus and pay attention. If your mind is wandering, getting it back here, it's discomforting. But you want to stay in your comfort zone that, oh, I'm a beginner, I don't want to do anything. So what I did to trick my brain into doing the opposite of this is I just said that I know, and suddenly all the words started to feel like, oh, I know this one, I know its meaning, and just meaning, and the meaning starts coming into my head. Otherwise, in the other scenario where the mind is saying that, oh, you're a beginner, or this and that, when it says I am a beginner and this and that, just uh, the words on the whiteboard when the teacher is writing it, even when I have studied them, word looks like a foreign word, right? Like I don't know its meaning, and the moment I click and just do this, I know it. I have studied the basics, I have studied all of it. This is the next step. Now I know the meaning of the same word. 2 minutes back, I was confused. Like what is she writing? What is this? I was just doing an overview. This word I don't know. This word I don't know. So hence, I don't know anything. So first go and learn the basics and this and that. This is just a coping mechanism to protect yourself from the discomfort. I don't know if any of you feel it, but this is my own problem, and I found a solution for it, and I just wanted to share it with my 6 subscribers. Anyways, that was pretty much it. I have more topics written here. Hopefully, I'll record a video on this today or tomorrow for sure. Vanshu, signing off. Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Radhe Radhe.